Alright, so now how to set up live tracking for your field technicians. So you need real-time tracking on where your team members are, just to know how long they have been there at a job, if they are stuck in the traffic, if you need to reschedule the next jobs as a dispatcher. So to have all that data, you need access to the real-time data on the field. How do you do that inside FieldCamp? It's very easy. So what you do is, first of all, you need to make sure that you have added team members from the settings. So if you go to settings and team management, you need to make sure that the team members you want to set up the live tracking for, the status is active and they have the mobile app which is installed, and inside the mobile app they are logged in. So this is like a requirement for you to start live tracking them. So as I said, the first one is they need to have a mobile app installed, iOS or Android, and they need to be logged in. Once that is done, what you can do is you can go to this thing called as team locations. Well, this is a new feature which we have just released, so in the coming days you will see us making a lot of improvements on this screen, but the functionality is already there, where you can when you have the team member, like the device has not been set up, over here you will see a button which is like set up the device for the team member. Once you click that, you will just be asked like a pop-up that are you sure, you confirm it, and the live tracking for that device is done. Now when you click on that, you will see that Jill's location is on the map. As I said, view on the map. I am currently at my house, working from home in Toronto, so you are able to see that. And if there is any changes to other team members, I am also able to zoom out the map and see things of how it is happening, where it is happening currently, and where are my team members at. Once you have that kind of zoom out eagle's eye view of who is where, you can also see their history. So let's say that what is my history for today. I have not moved, I have not started the app. I can just say let's show it for like next possible day, August. I have nothing. Okay, 1 second. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So on this given date, you will see for the full route what was my movement timeline. So when did I start, stop, etc., how long was I there for, and every single thing would be visible inside this view with the lets and the longs. Then when I click on that, it will just kick me to Google Maps. So you want to see it on a Google Maps, you can do that. Where did I stop? I stopped at this like stops for XYZ time frame. What was my time frame like? And then you can see how long was I at that stop for as well. And then if there's any trips, like it just means a combined view of stops, full route, etc., back and forth, like the route optimization, then that would be visible as well. And then through this, you are not only able to see your technicians live on the map, but what they have done throughout the day, how the route has been, how long they have been at a particular stops. You are able to track all of these things inside FieldCamp, and it's as simple that as I just explained to you in a 3-minute video. Now there's few options over here on the screen. If you want to just see everything on the map, you can hide the team view. You can click on that. You want to see it like a nice stacked way, then that is also option which is present. And then you can just zoom out on the map with the click of one button. So you just know that, hey, these are my team members, they are here, and I just want to see who is the closest to XYZ job. Now what are the use cases where live tracking is useful? First of all, from dispatcher's point of view, you are just there making sure that, hey, everyone is on their route, everyone on the schedule, and see like, hey, it's 11, this person is supposed to be on their way to this job. You want to see all that data. That's where it's handy. The second one is like, hey, Jill is in this area, and a job near Peterborough just came in. Who is the closest one to go to? So you can live track people and just decide that, hey, Riddhi is the person who is the closest one. Let me call her and see if she can go to this job. So those are two cases where this is most useful. Of course, there are numerous other cases as well, but the two frequent ones are these.